Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the group 16 elements or oxygen family. Clear? The oxygen family just after the nitrogen family. The member of oxygen family have one electron more than the corresponding member of nitrogen family. Okay, dear? Now, therefore, all the properties of the oxygen family similar to the nitrogen family, all the trends of the reactivity, physical property, chemical properties are as the nitrogen family. Okay, dear? Now, let us start the oxygen family with general introduction. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium are the member of group 16. They are known as the chalcogens or the ore forming element because most of the ores are oxide or sulfide. The oxygen and the sulfur are the member of oxygen family. Therefore, these are known as the ore forming element. Okay, here now occurrence oxygen. Oxygen is the most abundant element on the earth crust, about 46.6% by mass of the earth crust is made of the oxygen. Okay, dear. Thus, it is the second most abundant element in the atmosphere, 20.946% by volume and 23% by mass. It is found as water, oxides and salts in the combined formed. Okay, dear. Now, sulfur its abundance is very poor, very low. It is only 0.03 to the 0.1%. Okay, dear. It is found in the combined state. The combined state is in the form of sulfates, gypsum, CaSO4 into 2H2O, or it is known as the calcium sulfate semi-hydrate. Is the chemical name of the gypsum. Plaster of Paris or POP. The POP is used for designing of roof and buildings, etc. And it's the formula is the CaSO4. Chemical name is the calcium sulfate hemihydrate. ये semi-hydrate, ये hemihydrate. Okay, dear. Now, Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate, MgSO4 into 7H2O. Sometimes the crystalline molecule of water will be asked in the different salts. Okay, borates, barium sulfate. Now, sulfide in the form of sulfide, galena, PbS. It is the ore of the lead, zinc blende ZnS. It is the ore of zinc. Copper pyrite is the ore of copper and iron, CuFeS2. Hydrogen sulfide, which is found in the volcanon. Okay, dear. Volcanoes. Okay, dear. Now, inorganic substance like egg, protein, garlic, onion. गार्लिक एंड ओनियन की जो स्मेल होती है वो सल्फ़र के कारण होती है, जो गंध आती है उसकी वो किसके कारण होती है? सल्फ़र. मस्टर्ड, हेयर एंड वूल एट्सेट्रा सल्फ़र इन फॉर्म में होती है. नाउ द occurrence of oxygen and sulfur. Now, selenium, tellurium, polonium are the rare element. Rare means rare element. RARE. यहाँ पर स्पेलिंग सही कर लीजिएगा प्लीज. सॉरी, इन द occurrence polonium is the radioactive element, so polonium is the radioactive element. Electronic configuration of the oxygen family, it has they have the one electron extra in the valency shell than the nitrogen family. Therefore the element have 6 electron in the outermost shell, valency shell. The electronic configuration of the valency shell is the ns2 ns2np4. Okay dear. Now electronic configuration, element, atomic number and electronic configuration in the form of inert gas core. Oxygen 8, sulfur 16, selenium 34, tellurium 52, polonium 84. तो डियर स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड एंड फोर्थ फिफ्थ सिक्स सेवन्थ पीरियड होते हैं टोटल मॉडर्न पीरियडिक टेबल में. फर्स्ट से सेकंड में जाएंगे तो 8 एलिमेंट 8 प्लस करते हैं आप, और सेकंड से थर्ड में जाएंगे तो आप 8 प्लस करते हैं. और जब देखिए ये होता है ये 2 8 8 18 18 32. फर्स्ट से सेकंड में जाएंगे 8 से थर्ड में जाएंगे 8, थर्ड से फोर्थ में जाएंगे 18 ऐड करेंगे, 18 फोर्थ से फिफ्थ में जाएंगे 18 ऐड करेंगे, और फिफ्थ से सिक्स में जाएंगे 32 ऐड करेंगे, और इस सेवन्थ पीरियड कैसा इनकम्प्लीट है. ओके डियर. देयरफॉर जो ऑक्सीजन, यू नो वेल द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन 8 में 8 जोड़ेंगे 16 आएगा. दैट इज द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ सल्फर. नाउ 80. अब थर्ड पीरियड हो गया ये. अब थर्ड से फोर्थ में जाने पर कितना ऐड करेंगे 18 तो 18 प्लस 16 34. अब फोर्थ से फिफ्थ में जाएंगे देन ऐड द 18 in the 34. Therefore the atomic number of tellurium 52. Now fifth से सिक्स में जा रहे हैं, therefore 32 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. Therefore the atomic number of polonium 84. The electronic configuration of the element are H. Physical property: oxygen is the gas only. Other elements selenium S8 Se8 tellurium 8 polonium are the solid. ये आपके पॉलीएटॉमिक होते हैं, और जो ऑक्सीजन होता है वो डाइएटॉमिक होता है, और जो पोलोनियम होता है वो मोनोएटॉमिक होता है. ओके डियर्स. एटॉमिक एंड आयनिक रेडियाई, द atomic and ionic radii trends at the similar to the nitrogen family. Atomic and ionic radii increases top to bottom in the group due to higher due to the large size and small electronuclear charge, effective nuclear charge. Okay dear. Now ionization enthalpy, it decrease from down to group, decreases oxygen to due to the atomic increase in atomic size and decrease in effective nuclear charge. See student, important points: the first ionization energy of 16 is less than the 15, but second ionization energy of the 16 greater than the 15. Okay, why? Because when the 1s2 और np4 से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन निकल जाएगा तो एक एक्स्ट्रा स्टेबल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन आएगा, दैट इज ns2np3. ठीक है. हाफ फिल्ड और फुल फिल्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन का कंसेप्ट ऑर्बिटल कंसेप्ट लगता है. हाफ द ऑर्बिटल विच आर फुल फिल्ड और हाफ फिल्ड are more stable than the orbital which are not fulfilled or half filled. Okay dear. So that is the ionization energy. Electron gain enthalpy decrease from top to bottom. Same region है जैसे कि ionization energy में था. Okay dear. Electronegativity also decrease from top to bottom. Okay, due to increase in atomic size and decrease in effective nuclear charge. Oxygen is the second most electronegative element. First most electronegative element Fe के बाद ऑक्सीजन, Fe के बाद ऑक्सीजन, मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव Fe. सेकेंड नंबर पे ऑक्सीजन. ओके डियर. नाउ मेटेलिक एंड नॉन मेटेलिक करेक्टर. the metallic character or non-metallic character increase decrease from top to bottom. Okay dear, oxygen and sulfur is the non-metal, selenium tellurium metalloid, polonium is the metal. Allotropy, all the metal allotropy और polymorphism. Allotropy जैसा कि मैंने आपको NP नाइट्रोजन फैमिली में बताया था डियर. एलोट्रॉप क्या होते हैं? द एलिमेंट which has more than one forms, the forms are known as the allotrope, and the property of the element is allotropy or polymorphism. All element of the group exhibit the allotropy. Oxygen has two allotropes. Ozone is the allotrope of oxygen. Okay dear. Sulfur has four allotropes. Sulfur has four allotropes. Rhombic sulfur, monoclinic sulfur, liquid sulfur, gaseous sulfur. Okay dear. Melting and boiling point. The melting and boiling point increases from top to bottom to increase in molecular atomic mass or molecular mass. Okay dears, so that is the some introduction, some parts of the oxygen family member. Okay dear. Okay, thank you.